back to the freaking channel. If you're new here, this is the Standard American Outdoors channel where we do everything that is outdoors. We fish, we hunt, we love trucks, especially Toyotas. If you like that, if you live the Standard American way, then hit that subscribe button. Comment if you like it. If you don't, good, great, good. But for this video, let's get into the snorkel setup. So a couple people asked, you know, how do I get, you know, a snorkel for my second gen 4runner? Ooh, look at that. Dang. Well, you can't just go and buy a ARB or anything like that, because not a lot of people make anything or snorkels for the second gen 4runner. It's old, you know, people are all hyped up into the 5th gens, you know, whatever. But for the people, you know, like me that love these second gens, you know, full box frame, you know, light and skinny, and they're everywhere for cheap, and they're pretty dang capable, and they'll take you anywhere you want to go. There's no options. So what I did was I had access to 3-inch mild steel piping, and of course this is the bed liner, and I got a little crafty with a Sawzall. Don't look at that, that's ugly, don't look at that. I got a little crafty with a Sawzall and a welder, and actually ended up making this. It's 100% waterproof. Got your MAF right side up. It does not like being on its side, gets a little unhappy. And without my little methyl alcohol bubbler here, I actually have room for a deep cycle secondary battery, a dual battery setup. And it was really easy to actually do all this stuff. I think it took me like maybe a weekend or something like that. But it goes through the throttle body all the way over here, a nice little heck of a degree bend all the way through here, and it's all cup. It's all this is one solid coupler that goes through the side of the body here all the way to the fender. This is actually one piece of steel, so it goes all the way up through here. It's a direct link, it goes all the way up. And in this mushroom unit, I actually have a filter that I kind of fabbed up. It's for those of you who ride dirt bikes or been around them, whatever, you know the brand Uni. Well, there's a sheets that you can get. I think I got it off eBay or Amazon, that you can actually buy. I don't know if it's the high flow or high filter, but you can buy sheets of that and cut it into little donuts. I'll actually show you some. Right here, and I believe this is about a 1/2 inch thick, and you can see me cutting them out, putting them in that mushroom. I actually think it's I think this is the high flow, but I think this is only like 10 bucks for a sheet off I think it was eBay or Amazon, something like that. Yeah, here, it's my old one. I think I have about maybe 10,000 miles on this one, and it says, I don't really do it because I have so much material, it says you can wash them and reuse them. So, you know, to each their own. I'll just reuse mine, or get new ones. But, yeah. You know what I'll do? I'll actually start it up for you guys. It's pretty loud too. Oh, it ain't too bad. When you romp on it, it is. Highway driving, it's okay. And the air comes up through here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I like it. But anyway, there it is. And if you guys have any questions on anything like that, it's straight axle. I did everything myself. I've owned this thing for 11 years, almost 11 years. And kind of the goal around it was kind of independent 4-wheel drive, go out, get you A to Z, you know, independently without the help of really anybody else. And I think the longest, dang mosquito, The longest I've ever spent in this thing, I think, is like 5 or 6 days, and it was actually pretty comfortable. You know, it's not only comfortable truck to drive. You got 800 watts, you know, down there, and I have a 110 cord that I made, and I ran all the way to the back there. It's got air and water, hot water actually, hot water outputs, little quick disconnects. It's got a fuel transfer pump. It's got, I think the only thing this thing doesn't have is solar, which I don't know, might come sooner or later. It depends on this motor coming out of here and hopefully swapping in that bad girl over there. Check out a couple of my other videos and you might get a little sneak peek about what's going in here and how that is progressing. So if you're new here and you like what you see, subscribe for new videos, comment if you like it. If you don't, good comment, bad comment, I don't care. But yeah, for what we do here, it's just every day and doing what we love and living the standard American way. All right, have a good one.